Hey gang, it's Travis with Mendenhall Woodworking here. I finished assembling this base last night. Didn't get any recording on it. Neighbors were having a party across the street, so you would have been hearing all that background noise. So I just got in and put my head down and knocked it out real quick. So what I'm going to do this morning, I'm going to try to deliver this table this evening to the customer. They wanted it sanded and prepped. They want to finish it. So I'm going to sand it and have it all ready for them. I want to knock down this base. The base is not attached, so I'm going to take it off so I can flip the top over and work on my bench. How I sand for the base here, I actually got the Diablo. I like Diablo stuff that holds up pretty good. This is some 60 grit, 5-inch hook and loop back, whatever, to go on my 5-inch. I use the Ridgid orbital sander hooked up to my shop vac. It's down around the backside. So on the base, I'll probably do the 60 and then wrap up with the 100 grit. And then on the top, I've got these little guys. These are pretty cool. It's called a sand net. It's equivalent to a 220 grit sandpaper. And these are pretty reusable. You can actually blow them out with a deal. Unless they get starting to fray, they last a little. Believe it or not, it looks like a little piece of screen. I mean, you can see through that. They last longer than actual sanding paper. As long as you're not like really going at some corners and stuff with it and nicking it. But if you're sanding on a flat, good surface, they last quite a while. And that's what I'm probably going to use to wrap up the top, because they are going to stain the top and paint the bottom on this one. I'm going to go back in there. So you're fixing to watch me sand really fast. So I got the portable air conditioner going in the garage here, so it's just a nice cool 80 degrees in here. Still hot down here in Southeast Texas. So start sanding on this and then take it out for delivery. Alright, I think that's pretty good for the base. It's just 60 grit. Like I said, they're going to paint the base, so you don't have to get really fine or worry about all the little swirl marks. They're actually using an outdoor latex paint, which is kind of thick. It's going to fill in some of the voids. They even said don't even worry about the screw holes. They got the wood putty and everything, so it's like, this is my kind of deal, because it'd take a day or two with the process I use to completely stain and finish this. I actually spray here in the garage, so it gets messy, but I got a system and it works. So let me get this off, flip this tabletop, and we'll hit the tabletop. Oh, the first. A little sawdust in the coffee never hurt nobody. Piney. A lot of labels are removed. Those kind of suck. But it is what it is. Well, that wraps up the first round. That has 60 grit. It's pretty done. So it's getting hot. You can see it's starting to sweat to the shirt. So that's it. I want to do another couple passes with some finer sandpaper, but you see how it goes. Talk to you later, gang. Bye.